Hey guys, so tonight we're doing a little bit of fireworks here in our town. So that's what the vlog is about. I haven't been able to vlog because my mom's been in the hospital for like 3 weeks, and so haven't been able to do a lot of videoing. But hopefully tonight I'll be able to show a little bit of the fireworks. It's just like any other small town that you have around. You know, the fireworks are sponsored by the local car places and the community and that sort of thing. So basically we're in one of the parking lots close by. They're having a concert at the football stadium, you know, country music concert, that type of thing. So, but we don't ever go to the concert part anyway, so we just like the fireworks. So hope that's good, and we'll show you what it's about. Got the cornhole boards out here, ready to go. And there's a bunch of kids running around.